Hi, I'm Lou, and today I'm going to review this thread repair kit from Vevor. It comes in this nice carrying case. I'll demonstrate on this mini bike that has a stripped out bolt right here. Notice when I tighten it down, it just spins. The bolt threads are okay, which means it's stripped out in there. First of all, we have to figure out what thread the bolt is, and the kit comes with thread checkers for both metric and SAE. This bolt is 1mm metric. The kit also has SAE, but we're going to focus on the metric. Here's the 1mm coils and the 1mm tools. So we'll drill, tap, insert, and break. Drill out the bad threads. Run in this tap to create larger threads. Put your coil on the end of this tool and screw it in. Now stick this flat end tool in here and hit it with the hammer to break off the tab. You can see there's a notch right there. When you hammer that in, that center tab breaks off. And now that thread is completely fixed, I can just screw the bolt right back in. Here we are, all fixed up. This kit is really pretty awesome. Thanks for watching.